Hey, what is up, you guys? My name is Josie Bun. Please do not comment on my nails. Please also don't comment on the fact that I have been noticeably absent for an entire month. Actually, technically, it's been a month and 2 weeks. First of all, I'd like to issue an apology to all of my loyal subscribers. You guys, I tried to pre-film some videos before I went on this like very large work event binge, whatever you want to call it. It got very overwhelming very quickly, and today is literally the first day I've been able to like catch my breath and even think about filming something. So right off the bat, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed while I've been gone. I have hit like 520 something subscribers, and I haven't even posted in a month and a few weeks. So first of all, thank you guys so much. I really have wanted to film, but I just haven't had a chance. Outfit information, just because I feel like someone is going to ask. This top is from Express. It was from their clearance section, so it was originally like an $80 shirt. I got it for I'll show you guys more. I'm wearing leggings. I got it for like $25, I think. Now I'm super into sort of a very feminine, like effeminate, princessy moment, a mood. So a lot of that is going to reflect in today's purchases. Jumping right in with blouses, I have this from Lawrence. I never know how to say the names on these vintage tags, you guys. It is just a sequin blouse. It is a slouchy, oversized, turquoise sequin blouse. It came with a skirt, but the skirt's elastic is more than busted, so I have to fix the skirt portion. But I thought, you know, sequins are sort of a staple in my wardrobe and have been since I was just graduated out of high school. I binge Thrifters Anonymous content like nobody's business, so they are always wearing sequin tops like this, and I thought the color was beautiful, very unique to my collection. I have a lot of black sequin items and a lot of sequin cardigans, but this is definitely more appropriate, I think, for early fall and the end of summer. So this one is definitely going to pop up in my wardrobe for sure, and I love the color. It's so unique. Green is my favorite color, and I don't have any green sequin pieces, so this was really fun to find. I actually don't think I have any more blouses, but I do have kind of a lot of sweater vests to show you guys. So kind of diving into like fall fashion or like early fall fashion. This one is by Izod Golf. It's 100% cotton, made in China. It is a size medium. This is a men's garment. All of the sweater vests I picked up today, I believe, were in the men's section. I can never find good sweater vests in the women's section. I found like maybe 3, and they're not even my favorite, but I love this like sort of beige cable knit situation. It is very simple. It is nice. It's just cute. It's a nice slouchy, oversized moment. I think with a button up and like a loose hanging like necktie and like a leather jacket, this could be really cute with like a plaid skirt or something. I think that could be really cute for fall. This is another Izod Golf one. This is a size large, made in Indonesia. It is 100% cotton, and this is definitely oversized. I really like the green and blue lines that are in the top here, as well as like the little golf logo. I think the Izod logo with the little crossing golf clubs is just kind of cute. Okay, this is super embarrassing. I have been binging Pretty Little Liars, and this was just kind of my Spencer moment. Like, let me know. So last time I was on this channel, I was obsessed with Friends. Now I'm obsessed with Pretty Little Liars again. I have just been delving back into the shows that I used to love as a kid, and I am very excited about it. The next sweater vest is by Chaps. It's a size medium, 100% cotton, and it's just got this cute little embroidered Chaps logo on the bust area here, and it's just got the little cinch at the waist. It's got nice knitting along the sleeves and the neckline. Very simple, plain, dark gray. I didn't have a dark gray sweater vest, so I just picked this one up because I wanted one, and I really like the crest. If you know me, I see a crest in the thrift store and I immediately buy it. Okay, so the last like sweater item is by Joseph A, and then the rest of the tag is in French. Paris, London, New York. It is 100% silk. And I absolutely loved it. It's this vintage beige silk sweater. You can never go wrong with having a basic in your wardrobe, so I have one of these now in my wardrobe. I feel like I have one of these types of like sweaters in every color, but they're just so universal and so great, especially for layering. Next, I want to talk about some of the slips I picked up, because I did pick up, I think three different slips. And this one was such a disappointment. I did not notice. This has a giant hole in the back of it, which is probably why it got donated. But it is from Gilligan O'Malley Sleepwear. It's a size large, and it is such a beautiful slip. Like, oh, it's a slip dress. It's got this like lace print as well as like this actual lace trim on it, and I was like, this is so beautiful. It's got like these lace panels under the bust, and it's like super long and flowy and beautiful, and I was like, this is perfect. And then I washed it, and as I was hanging it up to dry, because I didn't put it in the dryer, I saw these two giant holes in it. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I could make it into a top. That is an option, because it's like, they're pretty, like, they're where your butt would be. So like, they're pretty obvious if you wear it as a dress. And I don't really know how to mend them or patch that. So someone in the comments, if you have a suggestion for what I should do with this, let me know. I think I might just end up making it a blouse and maybe using the extra material that's not ripped to make a matching skirt piece. I'm really not sure, but it was such a shame because it's such a beautiful piece in and of itself, but unwearable in the current condition that it's in. So let me know what you guys think. The next one was also damaged, but it's a super easy fix because I just have to sew like a little corner of it. So I did pick this up regardless, knowing that it was a little damaged, and this is by the brand Pink. This is also a size large, and it's just like this pale pink slip dress with this lace detailing on the bust line. I thought this was super cute. Again, it's very long. It has a small slit. I might make the slit a little bit bigger, but it also has this like really pretty ruche detail with like this chiffon fabric that like complements the silky polyester really well, I think. Like, right? I think that's cute. Yeah, that's adorable. So I really liked this one. The straps are adjustable as well, so it's just a really nice fit. The slip I got is actually a little romper moment. This is by Ralph Montero for Saks Fifth Avenue, so you know this is bougie. But it's a little shorts and tank top romper. It's got these really adorable little, like, what would you call these? They're almost like bloomers on the bottom. And then it's got this like lace and silk cami attached to it. It is like a bodysuit, like it has a clasp down here. I don't know, for some reason I think very French. Look at it! Oh my god, look at it. It's by Casper. And it just has these gorgeous purple and gold bronze buttons, and like they're not even sewn on. Someone literally put them in with safety pins. Like, how funny is that? They're not even meant to be there. Like, they're sewn on the cuff, but they're not sewn in the jacket. I thought that was really funny. It came with this little purple hanky, but it's this gorgeous like bright orange, red, pink, purple, fuchsia blazer moment, and I just saw it and I was like, this is so cool. Like, I have a lot of really basic blazers, and not that I don't like that. I love having a lot of basics, but I also really love having these like wackier, more fun blazers. These next two are again very much like I'm in my Spencer era. This is by Seville. It's a size 6, made in the USA. This gorgeous white and navy blue plaid with these big blue buttons. They're like acrylic. Really liked this. This was like super, like, again, just a great transition from summer into fall, because it's like a summer color palette with the white and the navy blue, very like navy inspired nautical theme, but like with a fall pattern and a fall like garment like a blazer is. This is really great for like my more simple or preppier outfits that involve a plaid skirt. I think this would be really cute with those, or just like my tennis skirts. This is by the brand Perceptions by Irene B. This is a size 16, but like no, it's not. This is like tinier than the size 6, to be honest. But this is definitely like, it's unlined, so it's really light. So this is a nice summer blazer, but it is a little bit tighter. But it just has like this gorgeous, it's like a gingham print with this really 80s postmodern like line work and color blocking involved. So I really liked this one as well. Definitely fit great. It looked awesome on, and I just thought like with a pair of jeans, or again like maybe a tennis skirt, this would look really cute. My arms literally hurt. I need to go back to the gym. Okay, I'm gonna show you 3 more blazers. This one is by David Rose. It is a size 10. It is rayon and acetate, and I mean, look at it. It's one of those like little bolero ones where it's like cropped. It's so gorgeous. It's got pleating on the shoulder, on the front and back. It is this bright cherry Christmas red, and it's got these gorgeous lace and like sequin appliques. I just loved it so much. It's so gorgeous, and the tag is even really pretty. It's got like a rose on it. I just really liked it. I think this is so cool with like a pair of high-waisted pants and like the tiniest little tube top on underneath. I think this would also be great for the holidays. Okay, I'm gonna hold up the next blazer, and you guys are literally gonna look at me like I'm insane because it looks just like the shirt I have on. But it's by the brand Alfred Dunner, size 16, made in the USA. Definitely a vintage grandmother's couch, but I mean, like, come on, this is the vibe. It is this gorgeous like tapestry floral fabric with these pastel colors, and the crazy thing is, you guys, I'm gonna make a video on fall trends for 2022. This color, this like periwinkle color, and this like pastel florals usually that are reserved for spring are just like coming into the fall time, and it looks so good. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I've seen it on the runway. I've seen it in a lot of other fashion YouTubers videos. Like, I am obsessed with this particular pattern and this particular color palette because it's so gorgeous and unexpected for fall. Usually if you see florals, they're dark and moody, and that is absolutely coming back too, but just the fact that we're introducing like a more pastel floral color palette is really exciting for me. I have not really been into florals for a very long time. I sort of abandoned my girlier side in high school, and this is just like bringing me back to a time of like having joy in my life. And I'm like just starting to get my joy back. Like, I just started working again. I just, you know, got better, a little bit better from my herniated disc. I just had my surgery. Like, I'm recovered. I'm like doing great. I'm introducing myself to new things and new people, and now I get to start fresh with these beautiful springy florals in a season that's a little bit unexpected. This last piece, oh my god, it was next to this one. I picked up the purple one. I gasped. I was like, oh my god, I need it. And then I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, I need both of them. So now I have 2. This is by Nana Collections by Jonathan Tate, and it is just the epitome of grandma luxury chic. It is this beautiful pink and purple with this obnoxious lace applique along the entire trim of the blazer. I kind of wish it was on the sleeves too, but like, look at it. It's got these little pastel pink buttons. It's so cute. It's got this little like cut up the sides of it too, so you get even more lace. Like, I feel like they were just looking for an excuse to add more lace to this thing, and I just absolutely love it. The princess sleeves, the girly vibes, like, grandmas everywhere are gonna be quaking when I'm wearing this. Like, oh good. This is so good. I am definitely in my princess days, so if you are interested in princess fashion, follow me, and I'm sure I'll be into this for 2 weeks before I change back to like boho, cowboy, western, because I tend to do that in the fall too. That was a long one, but a happy one, and I'm very excited about all of those pieces. I'm excited about everything. I'm excited to be back. Thank you guys so much for subscribing if you have, and I do recommend that you do. I promise I will try to post more often now that I'm kind of back, but I don't know if work's gonna get crazy again, so I maybe can't guarantee that. Maybe when I have 1,000 subscribers and YouTube actually starts paying me for the amount of views that I get, like, maybe then I'll be a little more consistent. So until then, let your friends and family know to subscribe so that I can get there and make this my full-time job. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys hopefully next week, and stay well until then. Bye!